Hello friends, today we will discuss about milling operation on Mastercam 2021. So let's start. Go to the wireframe, then draw the rectangle. So now go to the view, then go to the isometric view. Go to the solids, then extrude. Then select the chain, then click on OK. Now again go to the wireframe, then go to the rectangle. Now go to the view, then go to the isometric view. Now again go to the solids, then extrude, then select the chain, then click on OK. Distance is something 15 mm. Now again go to the wireframe, then draw the circle. Go to the isometric view. Now go to the solids, then extrude. Then select this circle. So our final diagram is ready. So now the machining part. So go to the machine, then go to the milling machine. Then go to the properties, stock setup. So in the dimensions of rectangle, we have to give some 1 mm or 2 mm extra dimension. So now click on OK. Now the first process is facing. So go to the face, then select the chain. Now go to the tool. Now go to the select library tool. Then go with face mill 50 diameter tool. Now go to the cut parameter. Then change the style and keep the style as zigzag. Now go to the depth cut. Then click here. Now go to the linking parameter. Change everything in absolute. And giving depth as minus 2 mm. Then click on OK. Now we can see the facing process. So now facing is done. So next process is contour. So go to the contour, then select the chain. Now go to the tool. Now go to the select library tool. Then go with face intimate diameter 20 mm. Then click on OK. Then go to the cut parameter. Compression direction should be right. Now go to the depth cut, and the maximum rough step is 5. Now go to the linking parameter, then change everything in absolute, and depth is -15. So contour part is done, we can see here. So now next process is pocketing. So go to the pocket and then select the chain of smaller rectangle. Now go to the tool, then again select library tool. Now go with flat end mill, diameter 10 mm. Now go to the cut parameter, machining directions would be conventional. Now go to the roughing, then select high speed roughing. Now go to the depth cuts, then now go to the linking parameter, change everything in absolute, and depth is something -15 mm. So pocketing part is done, we can see here. So now next process is spot drilling. So go to the drill, then select each circle. Now go to the tool, select library tool, go with NC spot drill 6 mm diameter. Now go to the linking parameters, change everything in absolute. Now we have to calculate the depth, so click here. So depth is -3 mm. Click on OK. So a spot drill is done, we can see here. Now the next process is final drilling. So go to the drill, then again select each circle. Now go to the tool, then select library tool. Now we have to select the tool. So go with HSS tin drill, diameter 8 mm. Because the diameter of circle is 8 mm, so we have to select the 8 mm tool. Now go to the cut parameters. The cycle is pick drill. Now go to the linking parameters. Then depth is -15. Now go to the trick component. So final drilling is done, we can see here. So now final simulation is remaining. So select all operation, then verify it.